Basic security terms used in DevSecOps. In the context of DevSecOps, there are several basic security terms that are commonly used to describe various security concepts and practices. Here are some key security terms often encountered in the DevSecOps space. Vulnerability. A weakness in a software system that could be exploited by attackers to compromise the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of the system or its data. Threat. A potential event or action that could exploit a vulnerability and cause harm to a system or its data. Risk. The potential for loss or harm resulting from the exploitation of vulnerabilities by threats. Risk is often calculated based on the likelihood of a threat occurring and the potential impact if it does. Risk assessment. The process of identifying, evaluating, and prioritizing risks associated with a software application or system. This assessment helps determine where security efforts should be focused. Penetration testing, pen testing, the practice of simulating attacks on a software system to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses. Pen testers attempt to exploit vulnerabilities to determine their potential impact. Security audit, a systematic review of a system's security measures to identify potential vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and compliance issues. Security patch, a software update designed to fix security vulnerabilities and address weaknesses in a system or application. Secure coding, the practice of writing software code in a way that minimizes vulnerabilities and potential security risks. This involves following coding standards and guidelines that emphasize security best practices. Code review, the process of examining source code to identify security vulnerabilities, coding errors, and other issues that could lead to software vulnerabilities. Static application security testing, SAST, a type of security testing that analyzes the source code of an application to identify potential security vulnerabilities before the code is executed. Dynamic application security testing, DAST, a type of security testing that assesses the security of a running application by simulating real-world attacks and interactions. Software composition analysis, SCA, the process of analyzing third-party and open-source components used in an application to identify vulnerabilities and ensure that only secure components are integrated. Container security, the practice of securing containerized applications by addressing vulnerabilities and ensuring proper configuration of container runtime environments. Infrastructure as code, IAC, security, ensuring the security of infrastructure provisioning and configuration code, often managed through tools like Terraform or CloudFormation. Continuous security, the practice of integrating security checks and assessments into the continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD) pipeline to identify and address security issues throughout the development lifecycle. Security incident and event management (SIEM), a system that collects and analyzes security event data from various sources to identify and respond to security incidents. These terms provide a foundational understanding of security concepts within the DevSecOps context. Embracing these terms and concepts helps organizations build a more secure and resilient software development process. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.